If you want power and finesse, look no further than our one-owner 2008 Cadillac XLR. Equipped with a 4.6L V8 engine, this two-door, two-seat roadster convertible accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds. The unique magnetic ride control shock absorbers use iron particles to sense every contour in the road, ensuring you have a smooth ride. This 2008 Cadillac XLR gets you 15 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. In addition, this XLR comes equipped with heated seat, navigation and a complement of creature comforts, making life on the road a little more enjoyable. Cargo space beats the competition in its class with 11.6 cubic feet when you leave the top up, 4.4 with the top down. Speaking of the top, owners rave that it takes as little as 30 seconds to fold down with a push of a button. The interior provides ample room and quality materials. Tech aficionados will appreciate the keyless ignition and doors. What else can be said? It's a Cadillac. In short, reviewers rave about the Cadillac XLR. This Cadillac has all the style and comfort of any vehicle in its class. Crest Cadillac has the best used car inventory in the market. Contact Jeff, JEFFP at CrestCadillac.com, or Adam at CrestCadillac.com, from the Internet Sales Department, or reach us at 866-712-4804 for more details, set an appointment, a test drive, or trade appraisal. All our used vehicles come equipped with leather. Thanks for choosing Crest Cadillac and our award-winning vehicles and service. Navigation, non-smoking, one-owner vehicles are here.